Oh wow, check it out. It's a dump truck. Look at that. It's a Bruder Mac. Oh, blue and yellow. Look at these wheels. Big wheels. Oh, there's a driver. Let's get them out. Doors open. Hello, driver. Hi. Oh, look at that. Look inside. There's a cabin, got a steering wheel, seats, all the cool stuff. Look at those those doors. Oh, there's the engine. Let's check out the engine. Oh, wow. Look at that engine. Look how big it is. A big Mac truck engine. Brum, brum, brum. Check out the rest of the dump truck. Look at that. Oh, isn't that cool? Oh, look, there's even a load. Well, we better go empty it. How about we get our driver and we'll put our driver back in the truck. All right, let's do that. We better close it first.
Okay, let me in. In I get.
In you go.
Ah. Hey, pick me up. Put me back in, please.
It's a little bit tricky to get them in.
Not gonna fit.
You're gonna bend their knees.
Bend my legs. No, oh look. Hey, you're upside down. I'm upside down. Hey, I'm upside down. Put me in. The right way. Come on. Yippee.
In.
Thank you.
All right, let's drive over to the construction site. All right, we're at the construction site. So let's back up. Beep, beep, boop, 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 boop. All right. All right, you ready to dump it? Here we go. Looks like we've got to open this little trap. Oh, it goes out all the sand. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Let's have a look at that. Oh, look, it slides up. Oh, down it goes. What a cool dump truck. Oh, what's this? Oh, another cool one. Check it out. Excavator. Oh, wow. Oh, look, it's even got a track. Just like a real excavator. Got the arm. Extends out. The cat one. See if we can dig up some sand. Oh yeah, look at that. Just like a real thing. You move it over, and you dump it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, we've got nowhere to dump it. Oh, I know. We could use the dump truck. Let's get the dump truck back over. Here's the dump truck. All right. So we reverse it back. Come on, reverse back. Beep, 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 beep. That's not a good reverse back. That's for dumping. Let's get on the road. Look at those wheels. Oh, look. They're like rubber. How cool is that? All the wheels are rubber. Just like the real thing. All right. Pick up some sand. All right, we got some sand. Reach up nice and high. Get close to the dump truck. And there we go. Let's try that one more time. Nice and deep. Big load of sand. Oh, so huge. So huge! Lift it up, nice and high. Here we go. Oh, look at all that sand. Hey, let's dump it again one more time. Let's see how it dump. Let's make sure this is open this time. All right, here we go. We're gonna drive. Here we go, we're gonna drive. Let's get around to the back. Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Let's dump it. You ready? 3, 2, 1, dump! Oh, yeah! Let's go back to this. Oh, let's have a look at the excavator again. Spin around for me. Oh, wow, look at the driver. Hey, let's get him out and have a look inside the cab, shall we? Come on out you can. Oh, that's right, you gotta lift up this bit here. Look at that, and it's easier to get them out. Feet out first. Feet out first. All right. Look inside that cab. Look at it. Got a seat. Even got the foot pedals. And a lever. Oh, that's so cool. Let's close it. Look, there's a door. Oh, there's a door. All right. You want to go back in? Hey, this is my job. You stay out of it. Oh, sorry, mate. Okay, let's go back in. Here we go. I think it's easier if you go in head first. Oh, hey, I'm going head first. There we go. Sit in your seat there, mate. All right, put the lever down. Shh. Close the door. Hey, what's this bit here? Down here, what's this? It's like a little mini bulldozer. I know. Let's show you how it works. But first, we gotta pick up some more sand so we can show you. All right. Extend out. Hook it in. All right, this Bruder excavator is so cool. All right, so we push this down. Oh, now we're gonna push it in like a bulldozer. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, beep. Lift it up as you go backwards. Beep, 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 beep. All right, try it again. Oh, that's so cool. Did you see what I saw at the back? Let's have a look at that. Let's spin the cab around. Oh, look at that. It says cat. What's in the back? It's the engine. Oh, yeah. Look at that. You can see it. The whole engine, everything. It's so cool. That is a cool construction site. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See ya!